Hey, this week I want to talk to you about rainy days and your home's equity. Okay, so your home is arguably the largest asset you have. You probably have other investment accounts though as well, maybe a retirement account, stocks or other investments. Think about those accounts, those investments. You do receive a statement at least 4 times a year advising you how those investments have performed and where your balances are. Your home should do the same. What I mean by that is at least 1 time a year, you should be meeting with your agent and going over a detailed review of your home's value and how much equity you have in it. Think about all these rainy days. What if through all of this rain, you've discovered you've got a leak in your roof? Well, not everybody has $20, $30, or $40,000 in cash ready to go to address a problem like that. But if you've been very, very cognizant of your home's value and the equity that you have, you'll have the confidence it takes to call your lender and let them know you need to take out a line of credit to handle some home repairs and improvements. That is why it is so important to know what your home's value is and the equity is. It's just like any other one of your investments, but it's the largest one. So even more reason to keep an eye on how it's performing month over month, year over year. And of course, I'm always here for any questions. Thanks so much for stopping by. I'll see you next time. Take care.